First of all, Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Saba Talpur, a student of advanced level at Paragon Academy. It is the first time when I joined Paragon Academy during the summer vacation, and Sir Tufail teaches us English language in the academy, and I have learned many things and get many knowledge, and my confidence is also grow during the group discussions. We discussed the topic in the group discussions. There is the go to group discussions of girls and boys. If we want to develop our English language skills, so we will firstly we should try to speak our language so we can develop. If we will just cramification the topics, we can never develop our skills, because with the cramification we just cram on the topics, and after cramification we will forget the points what I will remember. If we will focus, we will get the knowledge, we collect the knowledge. After we share the knowledge and try to speak in English language, so we can develop our English language skills. Thanks regarding Miss Sabata.